Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Revati Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 13B of chapter 13, time and work. One question number 9 is written here. In this question, 3 men or 5 women can do a work in 12 days. 3 men or 5 women can do a work in 12 days. How long will 6 men and 5 women take to do it? Here, since 3 men equal to 5 women, change 6 men into women. So therefore 1 man equal to 5 by 3 women. Therefore 6 men equal to 5 by 3 into 6 equal to 10 women. Now change it, 6 men and 5 women. 6 men and 5 women equal to 6 men equal to 10 women plus 5 women equal to 15 women. Now in first box, number of women, by number of days. Number of women and number of days. Here, number of women, 5 women can do a work in 12 days. So change into 15 women. Let X days. Number of women increase, number of days decrease. Number of women increase, number of days decrease. It is in inverse variation. So by inverse variation, in inverse variation, the product of quantities are constant. So 15 into X equal to 5 into 12. That implies X equal to 5 into 12 by 15. 5 3 are 15 and 3 4 are 12. So 4 days. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 10. In this question, A can do a piece of work in 15 days. A can do a piece of work in 15 days. B is 50% more efficient than A. B can finish eating. In this question, students, A can do a piece of work in 15 days. So A is 1 day's work. A is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15. B is 50% more efficient than A. So B is 1 day's work. B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 15 plus 50% more. So 50 by 100 of 1 by 15. 5 to the 10 equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 into 1 1 and 2 into 15 30 equal to, take in LCM 30, 15 to the 30, 31 the 30 equal to 3 by 30, that means 1 by 10. 1 by 10. B is 1 day's work is 1 by 10. So therefore total time taken by B equal to 10 days. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 11. In this question, A does 20% less work than B. If A can finish a piece of work in 7 whole 1 by 2 hours, 7 whole 1 by 2 hours means 7 to the 14 plus 15 by 2 hours, 15 by 2 hours, then B can finish eating. So A's 1 hour's work, A's 1 hour's work, A's 1 hour's work, 7 to the 14 on 15 by 2, 15 by 2 change into 2 by 15. Now let V's 1 day's work, 1 hour's work. Let V's 1 hour's work be X. So according to question, A's 1 hour's work equal to here 2 by 15. In the form of X equal to A's 1 day's work, A does 20% less work than B. So X minus 20 by 100 of X, 25 is 100 equal to 2 by 15. That implies, take an LCM 5. So 5x minus x, 4x by 5 equal to 2 by 15. Now change it. That implies x equal to 4x by 5 equal to 2 by 15. X equal to 2 by 15 into 5 by 4. 2 by 15 into 5 by 4. So 2 to the 4 and 5 3 the 15 equal to 1 by 6. So V is 1 day's work. Therefore B is 1 day's work is 1 by 6. So total time taken by B equal to 1 by 6 means 6 hours. Right? Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 16. It is last question also. In this question, a pump can fill a tank in 2 hours. Due to a leak in the tank, It takes 2 whole 1 by 3 hours to fill the tank. The leak can empty the full tank in. Students, in this question, pump can fill a tank in 2 hours. So pumps 1 hour's work. Pumps 1 hour's works equal to 1 by 2. Pump plus leak. Pump plus leaks 1 hour per. 2 3 जा 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Change into 3 by 7. So leak. Now leaks 1 hour work equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 7. LCM of 2 and 7 is 14. 2 7 जा 14. 7 1 जा 7. 7 2 जा 14. Sorry. 3 by 7. 7 2 जा 14. So 3 2 जा 6. Equal to 1 by 14. Now, therefore, time taken by leak equal to 1 by 14 change into 14 hours. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 13B. Thank you. That's all.